What's your favorite snack? Just name it. The robot snack maker will make it for you. Wow! Order your robot snack maker now.
Wow! Come on, Daddy! Let's buy one!
Well, too many snacks will make our tummies hurt.
Daddy, please!
All right.
Yay! That's great!
But you have to promise, you can't have too many snacks. Hi, I'd like to order a robot snack maker.
Sure, right away. Here's your package. Please sign here.
It's here already? Wow, thanks!
No problem.
Bye-bye!
Bye.
Come on, let's open it.
Wow! It's so cool! Power on! Wow! Yay!
Hello, I'm Robot Snack Maker. What would you like?
Ice cream, please!
Okay, working on ice cream.
Wow!
Here's your ice cream.
Whoa! It's so big! It's so yummy!
Wow!
Robot Snack Maker, I want cotton candy!
Okay.
Wow!
Here's your cotton candy.
It's so yummy!
My turn. Ice cream, please. No, cotton candy, please. Ice cream? Cotton candy? Ice cream?
Okay, working on cotton candy ice cream.
No! It looks yummy, though. Wow! This is the best ice cream that I've ever had! Yoo-hoo! This is awesome!
I'll have another one! Me too!
No more snacks, kids, or your tummies will hurt. Until tomorrow.
Okay, see you tomorrow, robot! We did it! We got past Daddy! I'm gonna eat everything I want! Yay!
Hello, what would you like?
I want popcorn!
Okay, working on popcorn.
Whoa! Daddy!
You sneaky little eaters, trying to have more snacks.
Yeah, right!
Oh! Such naughty kids. Huh? Oh, wow! It smells so good! Oh, wow! It's so yummy!
Daddy, what are you doing? We've got you, Daddy!
It looked so yummy, so...
We want some too! I'm gonna try other snacks. Me too!
Huh? Oh, wait!
Robot Snack Maker, I want chocolate and pudding! I want lollipops, donuts, and cookies!
I want vanilla macarons!
Okay, working on them.
Why is my tummy grumbling? Oh well, not a big deal.
I'm back. Oh!
going on?
Cupcakes, pudding, macarons, donuts.
Oh no! Did you eat all of these snacks? Are you all right?
Sure. Ow! My tummy hurts. My tummy hurts too.
Oh no, mine too! Ow, ow! Oh,
I need to go to the bathroom.
I'll go first! Oh, ouch! Oh, I can't hold it!
I'll never eat this many snacks.
Then let's send the robot back.
Got it. Feel free to order again. Bye.
Bye!
Bye-bye.